Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable scheduled jobs with Make.com for recurring reports, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable scheduled jobs with Make.com for recurring reports, start by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Create a New Scenario button. This will direct you to the Scenario Builder interface. Next, choose the app that will generate your report. Select the appropriate trigger for your report generation. Once you've selected the app and trigger, configure the necessary settings. Now, add any required modules for data processing or report formatting. Ensure each module is connected correctly in the scenario. To schedule this job, click on the clock icon located at the bottom left corner. Choose the Schedule option from the menu. Configure the schedule according to your preferences, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. You can set specific times or intervals for the report generation. Once you've set the schedule, return to the Scenario Builder. Review your entire setup for any errors or adjustments needed. When satisfied, click the Activate button at the top right corner. Your scheduled job is now ready to run at the specified intervals. To monitor the reports, return to the dashboard. You can view the execution history of your scheduled jobs here. If any issues occur, the logs will provide helpful details for troubleshooting. Repeat this process for any additional reports you wish to schedule. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled scheduled jobs with Make.com for recurring reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.